Hey, what's up? Jigsaw here. Want to give your Instagram stories a fresh look? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to customize your Instagram story background. Let's go. There are multiple ways to change the background of your Instagram story. For example, you want to share your post from your feed for it to gain more likes. To change the color of its background, tap the three-dot button in the top right corner of the screen and select Draw. Select the paintbrush icon to access the editing tools. Now choose a color from the palette or use the color picker to select a custom color from the screen. You can manually brush it or press and hold it on the screen. After a few seconds, the entire screen will fill with the color you chose. Tap on Done to apply the color to the entire background of your story. This technique can be used to give you a black Instagram stories background, or any other color you choose, and an interesting DIY aesthetic for your image. You can also use the photo feature Instagram has. Still, on your story editor, tap on the sticker icon. Find the photo button and click it. Choose a photo or video from your gallery that you want to use as the background. Resize and reposition the photo to cover the entire background of your story. Once done, press and hold the photo. Then drag it down to reorder the layers. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.